Who do they think they are with this lawnmower outside? Who? Who? Okay, now that the neighbors are done being rude, let's do this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Myesha Skye, and today we are going to be doing a 3-strand twist out tutorial because you guys have been asking and I have been procrastinating. We know that that's what I do best. I did get this look and this hair using all Precious Tresses products. I've been working with Precious Tresses for almost 2 years. Like, I literally bought the line like almost as soon as it came out. And I love their products. They've definitely helped my hair grow. They keep my hair moisturized, and even though it's a gel, it's very soft and it keeps my hair, like, I can play in my hair. I can part my hair and change the position of my hair. Like, this is, I just love Precious Tresses products. If you want to try them, you can use my code Myesha20 for 20% off your purchase. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I washed my hair using the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk shampoo and deep conditioner. It is so bomb. It makes my hair feel so soft. And then I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections. Okay, so because I couldn't have somebody here to help me film me twisting the back of my hair, I'm going to demonstrate how I do a 3-strand twist on the front of my hair and how I style my 3-strand twist. So soft because of that Carol's Daughter deep conditioner. And right now I'm just going to make like a finger part in it. Then I'm going to take my trusty stylist sprayer, because obviously my hair's not wet anymore, and just dampen it, especially the ends. And there's nothing in the water bottle but water and black castor oil. Then I'm going to take my Precious Tresses Make 'em Melt. This is the Make 'em Jealous Moisturizing Gel, and just apply that to my ends. I'm going to avoid the roots. And I'm just going to take a little bit. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff. So be careful with that. And then whatever's left over, I'm going to run through the shaft of my hair. And then I'm going to take the Make 'em Melt Moisturizing Hair Butter, and a little bit with that too. Even though I like to be heavy-handed with this product, I love this product. And I'm going to run that through the entire length of my hair. I'm going to take a little bit more on my ends. And after I distribute the product, I'm going to run through it with this. I have no clue what kind of brush this is, but just to make sure the product is evenly distributed in my hair and get any excess. And now that the product's all applied, I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can see how I twist it. First of all, now that we are up close and personal, look at this definition. Like, it is amazing. To do a 3-strand twist, you are going to separate your hair into 3 strands, obviously. And then we're going to take every strand that's on the far, this is the left for you guys, and move it to the right. So, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Just to back it up. 3-strand twists are always my favorite because they give you the look of like perm rods without having to hurt your head sleeping on perm rods, because sleeping on perm rods is the worst. Like, I hate perm rods. And then once I get to the ends, I'm just going to finger coil them. Now let's say you know it. And that's 1 down. So we're going to try again. So just to go through the steps again, dampen the hair. Then again with the Make 'em Jealous. And then we're going to apply with the Make 'em Melt. Then we're going to detangle with the brush. Oh my goodness, this definition though. I just realized that in my last clip I said from left to right for you guys, when it would be from right to left from where you guys are looking. So let's correct that. So again, we're going to separate it into 3 strands like we're doing a braid. and then move everything from your, which would be you guys' right, to the left.
Say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you know it. Say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you know it. Say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you.
Now remember, you can make them as big or as small as you want. It's all about preference. I like for my twist to be smaller in the back, but for the curls that frame my face to be a little looser. And then once we get to the end, we're just going to twirl it around our fingers and finger coil it. Another good thing about finger coiling your ends is that it tightens the actual twist. Another thing, this is not going to happen for you overnight. Like, I can flat twist, 3-strand twist fast because I've had lots of practice. I practice a lot. I love 3-strand twists, so I do them all the time. So I'm like really good at it. When you start, if you are a beginner, it's going to take you a while to get used to it, because the first thing that your brain wants to tell you to do is to braid, and that's not what you need to do. So if you mess up, just slow down and take your time. It's going to take some practice. It's going to take some getting used to, but in the end, the curls are going to be fire, and it's totally going to be worth it. So
I'm out to bomb like Vietnam under the same name 10-1. The bad one ain't flow master bastard with the magnum. I tags up quick and then I steps to the exit when it's time to get zested. Or flex on some fresh shit, some whack.
Alright, so as of right now, it is 2:24 p.m. That's my grandma. So it's 2:24 p.m. Well, not unfortunately, but I still have errands and stuff to run, so I'm going to throw this in a bonnet and run my errands. And for you guys doing this at home, you can just still put it in a bonnet. You don't have to go outside like this, but I'm going to because I'm ratchet. And I'm going to go outside, run my errands, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the takedown. Bye. Okay, I was not feeling my makeup today, but now that I'm sitting in front of these lights, like, I went and got a new shade of the Fenty Beauty because I'm getting a little dark because it's a little nice outside, so your girl getting a tan. And I'm usually 360, but I picked up 370, and like in my selfies on my phone, it looked like I was like Oompa Loompa orange, but like under all of this, like, this looks great. Is this catfishing? Let's get to these Felicia twists. So here I am looking like Hurricane Chris. Okay, so this is where I had to do y'all dirty. Unfortunately, I have no idea what happened to my other clips of me actually unraveling my twists. So unfortunately, you guys are just going to have to see me separate and fluff. I am so sorry, and excuse my sick, nasty, dirty voice. I am on vacation, and whenever I go to the water park, I'm always sick afterwards. I don't know what's wrong with me. Does anybody else have like a bad reaction to water parks? Comment below and let me know. Now that I'm done separating, I'm going to use my Precious Tresses bone comb to fluff my hair out just a little bit in the back, because let me see if I can show you guys. You can, my part is still very prominent, so I'm just going to pick that out. There's no like particular way to do this. This is just how I prefer to do it.
It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the salad all I take from the heavens. You're the sunshine of my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie,
I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll leave in the eye a poll to see what hair video you guys would like to see from me next, whether it's flat twist or like 2-strand twist. Do people still do like 2-strand twist videos? I feel like they're like super simplistic. It's no need to make a video about it. Oh well. So I'll leave a poll up here so you guys can pick what is the next hair video that I would do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also share with a friend or a family member that you think would love this hairstyle, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.